Hey guys, a short update on the price of Bitcoin again. The thing is that we were pretty much in the same region for a while, and then although there was this N-type shape, N-type pattern, we actually went down. We broke this channel to the downside, but the only reason why it happens was because of S&P 500. And currently we have the like a correction of the decline, and probably after this kind of narrowing formation will be broken, we'll see the resolution of this situation, this lowered volatility. And I would say that there's a high chance. You see my targets here were at 12,500 and about 112,500 and $110,000, and first target was already reached. I'm still not 100% sure that, well, there's nothing like 100% here, especially in trading and crypto, but I'm not convinced that this correction is over. It could be a new low like that, and that could be really happening with the divergence, bullish divergence on a daily time frame, and that would be probably the end of the correction. So I'm really looking forward to see this kind of lower low. If it happens, it would be really a decent position to start getting long. But if this doesn't happen, then another option is that we try to test this $116,000 level many times, and that would be kind of ascending triangle. We test and making weaker and weaker, and finally we break into the upside. This is another possibility. Of course, I'm not totally disregard the option for even lower decline, but what I would say that if we have such a strong dependence on S&P 500 recently, then probably we'll follow that correlation even more. And S&P 500 actually already shows kind of a reversal condition here in stochastic oscillators, stochastic RSI, and that usually leads to a continuation of the reversal in the price as well, and then continuation of the rise. Whenever we have this condition on stochastic RSI, we always have the growth. So I would say that even if we see the drop even more, a little bit even more, then we'll still get a very low, like oversold condition, and from there the price will go higher. Therefore, it could be correlated with Bitcoin, so Bitcoin also could drop a little lower, maybe like 5 or 10%, but that would be the end point of the correction, and from there the new impulse, the new rising trend, we will see that coming. So I think that that's pretty reasonable, and everything which we see is according to the general plan. I would just also mention this support line, which on one hand is very clear, on the other hand everybody sees this line, so probably it's a good practice to break it to the downside. But again, there's a lot of support here, a lot of support here, so I don't think that we can go much lower than like the middle of that area of volume. So I would say probably $105,000, $106,000 is the lowest point, but even higher than that, 110, 109 is even more reasonable, more how to say, expected values. So that is what I think about the market, and again, I think it's going in the direction which we expected, which charts kind of alluded us to think about. And yeah, that's it. I will keep you updated. Let me know if you have any questions. And for today, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next video. Goodbye.